In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create webhooks on Discord in just a few simple steps. Webhooks are a super useful way to send automated messages into a Discord channel without needing to manually post every update. They're great for notifications, alerts, bot-style messages, and connecting Discord with other tools. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and sign in to your account. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside Discord, open the server where you want to create the webhook. Make sure you have the right permissions, because only server admins or members with the proper access will be able to manage integrations and create webhooks. After that, look at the top left corner of the Discord window and click on the server name. This opens the server menu, where you'll see several options for managing your server. From that menu, click Server Settings. Inside Server Settings, look for Integrations and click it. This is where Discord keeps tools that connect your server to other apps and services. Next, click Webhooks. Here you'll be able to manage existing webhooks or create a brand new one. To make a new webhook, click New Webhook. Discord will immediately create a new webhook for you, and you'll see it appear in the list. Once the new webhook has been created, click on it to open the editing options. From here, you can change the webhook name so it's easier to identify later. You can also select the channel where the webhook will send messages, which is very important if you want the posts to appear in the correct place. If you need to use the webhook in another app or service, you can copy the URL from this page. That URL is the key connection link, so keep it private and only share it with trusted tools. If you ever decide you no longer need the webhook, you can also delete it right from the screen. And that's it. You've now created a webhook on Discord and learned how to edit it, copy the URL, and remove it if needed. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and now you can start using webhooks to automate your Discord workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.